Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to find trainings and certifications in HubSpot Academy in 2025, so you can boost your skills and showcase your expertise professionally. Whether you're into marketing, sales, service, or web development, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go and how to access all the valuable courses HubSpot offers. Let's dive in. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, you'll be on your HubSpot home dashboard. This is your main hub for navigating through everything HubSpot has to offer, including your courses and certifications. Next, head over to the upper right corner of your screen and click on your profile. This is where HubSpot stores all your account options and personal settings. Within your profile menu, you'll see an option labeled HubSpot Academy. Click on it, and you'll be instantly redirected to the HubSpot Academy homepage, where all the magic happens. Once on the HubSpot Academy homepage, you'll notice that content is neatly categorized. You can browse courses under areas like marketing, sales, service, and web development. Each course is designed with clear objectives, video lessons, exercises, and quizzes to test your understanding. Many courses offer official certifications that you can add to your LinkedIn profile or resume. Simply select the course you're interested in, complete the lessons, pass the assessments, and earn your certificate. It's a fantastic way to showcase your skills to potential employers or clients. And that's it. Finding trainings and certifications in HubSpot Academy is straightforward once you know where to look. Start exploring, pick the courses that match your goals, and level up your professional skills today. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another HubSpot tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.